Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create a Vanguard general investing account. If you don't have a Vanguard account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. So once you're on their website, you will see a section at the lower right part that says, Our Sites. So you will see several options there. So in this video, we will open an account for personal investors. To proceed, click on Personal Investors. Once you're on their Personal Investors page, you will see several options at the top right part. Click on the option that says Open an Account. Now you will be asked on what would you like to do. Since we are going to create a new account, click on Start Your New Account button. After that, select how will you fund your account. Click on the option you wish to select, then click on Continue. Now it will ask you if you have login. Since we're creating a new account, click on the Continue button under No, I'm new here. Then on this page, you will see the new account process and things you'll need when opening an account. Once you've read it, click on Continue. Now select your purpose for opening an account. Click on General Investing. After that, select the account type, either individual, joint, or trust. In this video, we selected individual. Click on Individual, then click on Continue. Now, enter all the required information about you. After that, enter your mailing address and phone number. If your mailing address is different from your street address, click on the tick box to remove the check mark beside Same as my mailing address. Then enter your street address. After entering, click on Continue. Now set up your web access. On the first field, enter the username you wish to use. Then enter a password on the second field and third field to confirm. After that, read the consent agreement for electronic delivery and website terms of use. After reading, click on the tick box beside I agree to the terms. Then click on Continue. Now set up your security question. You could set up to 3 security questions and answer. After setting up, click on Continue. Next, provide your bank account. Enter your routing number and account number. You could also add an account nickname, but it is just optional. After entering all the necessary information, click on the Save and Continue button. Now, choose how you'll add money. You could either choose to add now through the bank account you provided, or later by rollover, account transfer, or bank transfer. In this video, I chose to fund it later. Now, select your employment status. After that, enter your employment details. Then on the bottom part, you will see several situations about being related to a Vanguard employee and etc. You could check all that applies. Then click on the Save and Continue button. After that, provide you income and net worth. Click on the drop-down arrow to show the list from which you could select the amount range. Now you will be asked on what are the sources of the money going on this account. There are options provided, click on the options that apply. Then describe the purpose for this account. On the provided list, you could select 1 to 2 objectives that matches the risk you might take on when investing. Lastly, review all the information on your application. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on the Save and Continue button. Now review the new account agreements. After reading and reviewing, click on the tick box beside I sign and agree. Then click on the Submit Application button. And now you will see a message saying that your individual brokerage account has been opened. That's how you create a Vanguard General Investing account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.